Okay. Okay, just okay. We have Bedwars Lucky Blocks. But for this video, I will do just normal Bedwars because this is day 3 of Bedwars videos for this week. So yeah, I'll be doing this and trying to get my mouse sorted. Alright. Hi. Hello, says Pelltop. Which one's red? Gotcha, boss. Dang it. Wait, you're a red person. Who did that? Who decided that doing that was a good idea? Chris Cool 123 is kind of bad. It's kind of bad, but did you see that combo I pulled on him? Wait, hold on, there's someone at our base? Oh, there's someone at our freaking base. Get off, dude. No one here can get us that way. Ladies and gentlemen, there's an earthquake. Duck cover hole, as the world says. I'm done covering holding. Mid video, this is funny. There has to be some aftershocks though. I think it's still going. I'm not sure, but if another one comes, you know what to do. Okay, I had to do that mid-video, but I'm back. What is wrong with this house? Okay, well, that was unexpected. Didn't expect that at all. Wait, there's another one coming. I feel it. That was actually quite a decent sized earthquake too. You don't get many big earthquakes where I live. Wait, hold on. This is a man who was railing me hard out. Yeah, aftershocks going on. I feel them. Oh, and I'm 94 star now. Okay, well that worked. Yeah, well she's screwed. I hit 2 of them off. Somehow. Somehow I'm just a god at bridge fighting. I don't even know what it is about it. I'm just so good at bridge fighting. It just doesn't make sense. Dun 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 dun. It looks like red is probably the easiest target at this point. Whoa, is that a yellow? Whoa, this guy's railing me. Actually, he wasn't really. Fuck. Are they invis? They're invis! I will protect my teammate. My teammate will not die. So, our bed destroyed. That's fantastic. That's also somewhat shit. Yeah, well, that didn't work out, did it? Forgot to press shift. Give me your stuff. Bitch. Okay, time to go for him. Behind you. Yeah, we better go this way. We won't stand a chance against them. Well, green screwed. No point in going there. Why did they build a bridge out of that? And why are they using ladders of all things? Holy sh- that scared me. Oh crap. There's no place for this one. Yeah, well. This is fucking terrifying. Off I go. I just abandoned my teammate. Whoa, is this guy hacking? That looked like bunny hop to me. That looked like bee hop. Dude, green is bee hopping. Slash watch on HD. Oh, seriously, my keyboard. HD diggity dog. There. Cheating. I mean, wait, I'll just do B hop. Okay. Good, now we have this map, the same map again. That earthquake was so unexpected though. I did not expect an earthquake mid-recording. I'm not editing that out. It's funny. You might even be able to hear the earthquake if you listen real well. Times all someone needs to be completed one thing. Floppy toppy gawk gawk. Oh, I thought I was gonna die there. I actually legitimately failed that. They just have wood up. They just have wool in their bed defense. It's Chris Cole. The red guy that sucks. And green bed's already dead. Holy shit. We have some tryhards here. Unless they don't decide to go for us first, but I'd say we're probably their second chop. Never mind. Holy shit. Wait, so they have reach as well. They weren't even anywhere near me. What's the what? Okay, so let's watchdog report. We believe cheating, reach, and possibly Kalora. Dude, I'm the bridge fighting master, dude. Ah, fucking cunt. What? We believes the hacker too. Oh, dude. I think so, dude. I told you. Oh, fuck. Look at those fucking ass cracks. Wait, oh, why the fuck are you here? Oh shit. They're all hackers. There's no point in saying GG because hackers. Idiots. Hackers and idiots. That's all they are. Wow. What cowards. Hi. Okay, speak English properly then. Okay, that was about 4 lots. Pretty pleased with that garbage vacation. Right, yellow's coming. Whoa! Those guys were not legit. That was obvious. Those guys were obviously hacking and my keyboard is being stupid again. Dude. When a team is obviously hacking, it's so bullshit, dude. What? I can't build down there? Like every time I die, my keyboard malfunctions. That red person died. Hi there, bud. Ah, the fuck is up with that cunt? Oh shit. Whoa, what the fuck was going on? Hello, I hit him into the void. I hit someone. Holy shit. So those people just... Wow. That was all three of their team. Their whole team just came over to kill us. What? So they're hackers as well. I was suspicious of the Taco Man from the start because of the hits he was getting, but I didn't think they would be this blatant. And don't worry, I'll get their bed. As long as they don't kill me here. They're probably gonna kill me here. Did he just fall off? Good job, Mr. Taco Man, you suck. So, were they the ones that killed Yellow? I think they were the ones that killed Yellow, weren't they? So, did that guy just fall in the void? Yeah, he did. What the fuck? I think it was Red that killed Yellow, actually. Oh, there's still a Yellow alive. And I just killed myself. He's a non. Shit. Don't worry. Okay, Yellow just got eliminated. Go Big Boomer. Depending on you. Is there someone coming? I can't tell. There has to be a green here, right? I swear I saw him. I guess not. Hope I'm not the only one lagging. I'm not. He's just chilling in midair. And he disconnected because he's lagging too much. Is that both of them? Wait, what? How do you know I'm here? Dude, your hacking is so obvious. How did I win? How the hell did I win that fight? What is with me? Crap. Goodbye. I'm out of here. I think they gave up. They either gave up or they died. Either's fine. Don't know how I won that fight. That was weird. Just weird. And that's like 5 emeralds, like 4 emeralds, maybe 4 emeralds. Probably 4 emeralds. They know I'm here, don't they? They do know I'm here. That is great. But I need emeralds. You still think you can come over? You're lagging like fuck. Oh shit. I'm not gonna be able to get back in time. Am I? Do I have enough blocks? Oh my god. Except, yeah, they can come from that side. Except, I think I can battle both of them. Except, I need blocks. Come on, dude. Come at me. And he fell into the void. Nice job. What the heck? These guys are so incompetent. They can't even come into this place. At least now I've restocked on blocks, so I'm fine now. Did he just fall? Whoa, she's so obviously hacking, it's not even funny! Dude! Slash, what is slash double point Z pre Z Z Z cheating breach there we go. Okay, I think this is where I'll end day 3 of Bedwars for this week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.